Hi, I'm Georgia, and if you've got a problem with your Sky service, here are some easy ways on how to get help. If you've got a technical problem with Sky Q, Glass, Stream or Broadband, start with Service Checker. It runs tests on your Sky TV or Broadband and is often the quickest way to get things working again. You'll find it on the My Sky app or at sky.com/service checker. Or you can try our online help articles. They're packed with step-by-step guides and tips on loads of topics. If you've tried Service Checker or a Sky Help article and still need support, we'll let you know how to get in touch right after those steps. You can also check out our help videos on YouTube. They're quick, easy to follow and cover lots of common problems. And don't forget Sky Community, where you can ask questions and get advice from other customers. So whatever it is you need, we've got plenty of ways to help. Thanks for watching.
Got what you need? Great. Tap another video or hit subscribe to stay updated.